So today I'm going to talk about a product which I've been consuming for last 10 days because my biotin was over. So I have switched to a product by Pure Cure and Company, and they basically manufactures capsules or tablets which claim to reduce not only your hair fall but also promise to have more of your hair growth. Since you must have seen in my stories that I am a big biotin lover, and I not only nourish my hair by using good conditioner, shampoo and hair oil, but I also make sure that I eat well so that it also reaches to my hair. So this is the packaging of these tablets. So their one pack has 60 tablets in it, and it has Ayurvedic formula which improves digestion and blood circulation and helps our body to absorb minerals which are responsible for healthy hair growth, for voluminous hair and for vibrancy. Its potent vitamin C and antioxidants strengthen hair, they arrest hair fall, they repair the damage, reduce dandruff and slow down the graying process. For that, what you have to do is you either have to consume 1 or 2 tablets depending upon the intensity of hair fall or any kind of hair issue which you are facing, and that's it. So are you ready to take 60-day challenge along with me? Stay tuned with me and share your experience after, let's say, consuming the tablets for 15 days. You can order your pack of 60 tablets from Amazon, Flipkart or from their Instagram account. I'm gonna tag their page in the description box below. Do check their page out and order for yourself right now.